If you've ever waited 20 minutes for your oven to preheat just to make one pizza, or worse, ended up with a soggy crust, you know how frustrating it can be. Cooking at home sounds simple, but the time, the cleanup, and the inconsistency can make it feel like more trouble than it's worth. That's where the chef man, everything maker, and pizza oven steps in. This is a compact countertop appliance designed for busy home cooks, students, or anyone who wants quick, versatile meals without turning on a full-sized oven. It promises to handle everything from pizza to omelets to quesadillas, all in one device. So the real question is, can one small appliance actually replace multiple tools in your kitchen? Right out of the box, the design feels practical and surprisingly thoughtful. It's not overly bulky, and it has a clean, modern look that won't feel out of place sitting on your counter. The cooking plates are built into the top and bottom, almost like a panini press, and they open wide enough to comfortably fit a 12-inch pizza. The nonstick coating feels smooth and well-finished, which is important because it directly affects both cooking performance and cleanup. One thing I appreciated right away was how intuitive it is. There aren't complicated buttons or confusing settings. You've got simple indicator lights that tell you when it's powered on and when it's preheated. That might sound basic, but in everyday use, it's exactly what you want. You don't need to think, you just wait for the light and start cooking. In terms of build quality, it feels solid enough for regular use. It's not heavy-duty like a commercial appliance, but it doesn't feel flimsy either. The hinge is sturdy, the plates close evenly, and the overall construction give you confidence that it can handle daily cooking. The fact that it can be stored vertically is also a nice touch, especially if you're tight on space. Now let's talk about performance, because that's really where this kind of product lives or dies. The Chef Man heats up quickly, usually in about 3 minutes, and reaches a high temperature that's actually capable of crisping food properly. That's a big deal because a lot of small countertop cookers struggle to get hot enough for things like pizza crust. In real-world use, it's surprisingly versatile. You can throw in a tortilla with cheese and have a crispy quesadilla in minutes, or crack in some eggs for a quick omelet without dirtying a pan. It's especially useful for quick meals when you don't want to commit to a full cooking session. The top and bottom heating plates cook both sides at once, which saves time and helps with even results. For pizza specifically, it does a decent job. You're not going to get the same result as a traditional stone oven, but for a countertop appliance, it delivers a nicely crisp base and evenly melted toppings. It's ideal for frozen pizzas or quick homemade ones rather than gourmet, restaurant-style pies. Cleanup is one of the highlights. Because of the nonstick surface, most food slides right off, and any residue can be wiped away with a damp cloth. There's no scrubbing, no soaking, and no complicated disassembly. That alone makes it much more appealing for everyday use. Of course, it's not perfect. The cooking space is limited, so if you're feeding a large family, you'll need to cook in batches. There's also no temperature control, which means you're relying on the preset heat level. For most people, that's fine, but if you like precision cooking, it might feel a bit limiting. On the plus side, the versatility is real. Instead of juggling multiple appliances, you've got one device that can handle a wide range of simple meals. It's especially useful for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone trying to keep things minimal. Compared to other products in this price range, the Chef Man stands out for its multifunctionality. Many similar appliances focus on just one task, like a sandwich